Hello, my name is Jessica Rendon. I'm going to talk about experimentation with animals. Why to take life to give life? Millions of animals are sacrificed annually in favor of science, which has generated rejection and indignation on the part of animalists. However, we cannot deny the enormous advances that in the field of medicine, this type of research has contributed, helping to save millions of human lives. Experimentation with animals has been present in the scientific community for a long time. At present, many think this process is unnecessary, unethical, and cruel.
Yeah.
Animals suffer the development industry impacts. They are exposed to abuse and exploitation of the human being. First, it is not ethical to sentence millions of animals to expend their lives in a laboratory in the midst of pain, loneliness, and fear. La opinion says that it calculates complaints of 100 million animals dying a year as a result of scientific experiments in Colombia. This is the midst of extreme suffering, as they are subjected to practice ranging from the inoculation of diseases that under normal conditions would never contract, to placing electrodes in their brain and extremely irritate their skin and eyes. Animal experimentation has been key to the great medical advances of the last century, helping to save millions of lives around the world. First, the experimentation with animals has allowed the development of different types of medicine and cures for the human being. Thanks to the isolation of the human hepatitis C virus using chimpanzees, it was possible to isolate a viral protein in the animal's blood, which, when reacted with human antibiotics, was established as a diagnostic test. Animal experiments do not work and are not ethical. We must be to understand that animals are living beings. They are also feel, they understand, and they are not usable objects for us. They are not a toy, and we cannot do what we want with them. We are only one of the millions of species that inhabit the planet, and we share a past, a present, and a common future. Our survival does not suppose the right to dispose of the life of other species, much less when that survival is only an excuse for the incorporation pharmaceutical companies to obtain millions or millionaires profits. If the technology is so advanced, they should not use animals as subject of experimentation, subjecting them to cruel and painful tests such as electric shocks, spraying with irritable substance, injecting them with chemical, and that led to death. Experimentation with animals has contributed to most of the scientific and medical advances to improve the quality of human life. But it is important to highlight that its use in such experiments entails an ethical problem, since it is cruel to subject them to torture in order to save human lives.